End of seminar presentation part. So you all have presented very nicely. So a good job, a big round of applause for them. So I want to say here something. Good is not good when better is expected. Okay, listen carefully. Better is not better when excellence is expected. Excellent is not excellent when benchmark is expected. So set a benchmark. Stay out of the crowd. Okay, stand alone and work on yourself. You are good at maybe in academics, maybe in sports, maybe dance, music, maybe some other thing. So find your passion, find your inner calling, and work towards that. Yes, and you will really achieve that. So be the best version of yourself, be the next you, be the best you. What I said, be the best you, be the next you. But you have to work on yourself with the consistent effort. Yes? Yeah? Okay, thank you everyone for this wonderful participation. Yes? Now we are moving ahead with the certificate distribution. You all will get certificate, participant certificate, and those who have presented here today, they will receive the certificates from our dignitaries on the dais. So we will be calling you just after a while. Milo from Croton, Italy. It's a real story. You go ahead and search in the Google. Okay, his name was Milo. He was from Croton, Italy. Okay, so he was very thin and energyless and very lanky person. Okay, if you see him, you will start laughing at him. Okay, but he has a strong desire inside him. He wanted to become Olympic champion one day, but it seems not possible. Not possible, yes, because he don't have that strength. It's need strength. That too in the wrestling. Yes, yeah. So after that. When he shared his desire with you, his fellow friends or the neighbors around him, they start laughing. And why he got the desire to become Olympic champion? Because in his area, in his town, one or the other person from his neighbors, they are Olympic champion in different games. So that gave him a desire, a strong desire. He was crazy about to become Olympic champion one day. Okay, so but it was not possible. And people used to tease him, laugh at him. Yes, then he got frustrated and he went to his mentor. Name was Pythagoras. Do you know Pythagoras? Yes? Do you know? Yeah. Pythagoras, who was him? Who was he? Tell me. Mathematician, a great mathematician. Yes. So he went to him and he delivered his whole frustration and desire, everything. Okay. So after listening to him, Pythagoras replied, okay, let's make a deal. You will, I am guaranteeing you will definitely win the gold medal, but you have to follow my instruction. Okay? Instruction. So he said, okay, tell me what are the instructions. So after that, he said, okay, these are the instructions. You have to carry a newborn calf. Calf पता है गाय का बच्चा? Calf, newborn calf. You have to carry that calf. Okay, and you have to take the round of whole town every day without pay. He said, why newborn? Let me take little bigger one. He said, no, you have to start that with newborn one. Then, okay, he said, okay. Then the instructions are, when you do your activities, people will laugh, definitely. So you don't listen to them, don't reply them. Just feel the pain and face every blow like a wrestler. Okay. Then next point is be consistent. You are not allowed to take any deep breath. Okay? You are not allowed to take any deep breath, whatever it takes. Third instruction is, if you do any mistake, may you do, just rectify your mistake and evolve. Evolve. And last instruction was, when you go to bed every day, just pat your back and say yourself that you have improved a little today. Okay? So Milo started doing the same. People started laughing. See what he else can do. He can carry a newborn calf. बोलेंगे ही ना? Then he started without listening. He followed the instructions strictly, and by doing that, 4 years passed by. 4 years. Now what happened to that calf? क्या बना वो? What happened to that calf? Which is full-grown bull. Now he can carry that bull easily around the town and then to in the Olympic field. Okay, and after that, people started again saying, he became a muscle man, see how strong he is, like that. Again, people changed their version. Yeah, now he won, after that he won 6 times Olympic championship and other so many titles. You go and check in the Google. This is called law of marginal adjustment, because journey of 1,000 miles start with the single step, single first step. So you are going to take that step for your growth. Even Milo didn't realize he was growing so big and so strong. Yeah? So he won after that. So this is the motivation. Just I sow a seed inside your mind. If you take up, that will transform your life. Okay? So wish you ahead a great journey in your life. Yeah. Now we'll proceed with the certificate distribution.